Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia to Realme X50 5G. Start by opening Play Store on both devices and installing an app called CLONEit. After that, open it on both of them. Tap Allow and Agree. Now I have to go with Sender on Nokia because I want to send my files from it, and Receiver on Realme. Also, you have to allow access to this device location on both devices. Click Search again and tap on available device. You have two ways to connect. You can scan QR code or input password. I will go with scanning because it's faster. Now accept connection request by clicking OK. Normally you have to tap all of those and click Start to transfer all of your files. But I don't want to do that, so I will click here to choose details, go with videos and select, for example, this one. Then click Start and OK. Lastly, click Finish and you can go into Files and check the video. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!